Ponytail braid can either be done to the back or to the center of your hair, and these two braids have different beauty points. In this video, you will learn how to do the different kinds of ponytail braid, either to the back or to the middle, and to see which is more suitable for your face shape. Note that at the point you're braiding this hair, you've not added your gel to the hair. Don't add your gel to the hair first of all. You have to braid first. So if you're adding any gel, it's a little edge control just for your braid to be sleek, just a little when you're braiding your hair. Then after which you can apply your gel to the hair. Apply a generous amount, and when applying, use your comb to comb through to make sure that it's as sleek as possible. And note that even when it's more sleek, you can still knot the hair again, tie it again, so that you hold everything down together. I know the more sleek it is, the more it lasts longer. It's best that after applying the gel method, you leave this hair to dry before you start adding the hair to it or the weavon to it, or even if you want to do the ponytail braid with everything braid, please allow the hair to dry. Now this is the ponytail braid at the middle of the scalp. You can see this is the middle one. Then the next one is the one to the back. When you're adding your weave on, it is best that you sew it with a needle and thread. It is best you sew it, except you don't want to wear it for a very long time. Otherwise, it will kind of pull off after some time. So sewing helps it to stay there for a longer time. So guys, this is the final look of the second ponytail braid style. So I want to hear from you guys, which is your favorite? Is it the first style or the second style? Let me hear your thoughts in the comments. And please, if you're yet to click on that subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my subsequent video. Bye for now.